B.I.Vision is an optional analytics suite built right into Unleashed that helps you spot opportunities and diagnose problems quickly and accurately. I'll give you a quick tour of how it works. The dashboard you're seeing here is a window into my raw business data, formatted to make it easy to find what I need. I can even set up custom dashboards for my different managers to make sure they're staying on top of the right things. This is what my sales manager sees, for example. Average order value per customer has been a big focus for our sales team this year, so their dashboard is set up to help them monitor performance against their targets, track trends, and easily drill into who's generating the best results and who's falling behind, so they can reward the right behaviours and give help where needed. I can also have tailored updates emailed to different staff. Here you can see I have a sales manager's morning report going out every day at 9 AM with up-to-date revenue figures, plus our current top 5 customers, so they know exactly how we're tracking for the month. My ops manager, on the other hand, gets an automated email called Soon to Expire, alerting them to any inventory batches at risk of going to waste, as well as reminders of low stock items that need replenishing. Across multiple different areas of the business, B.I.Vision is a great tool for getting to the root cause of problems and finding tailwinds. For example, I know in general that low profit margins have been a problem for me this quarter, but with B.I.Vision, I can see exactly where the issues lie and what to do. For example, here I'll just quickly rank all my products by profit margin and pass this list of high margin lines onto our marketing manager to see what they can do. I'll also ask them to deprioritize sales on these products where the margin we make is too slim. And that's just one example. Wherever Unleashed provides deep functionality, you'll get in-depth insights through B.I.Vision across production, purchasing, sales, customers, and of course inventory. So give B.I.Vision a try. And as always, reach out to our team if you have any questions.